Welcome to another Expert Accounts tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to talk about the Retail Chain Logistics module. We activate it by clicking here. Click on Retail Chain Logistics, click Activate. I'm also going to activate the Orders module to have transfer orders between branches. So the Orders module. And also the item master with price levels, so I can assign the minimum stock. Item master with price levels, activate. Now that I've activated all the free modules, I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, go to configurations, reorder levels by shop. Here I'm going to define some shop types by clicking on new shop type. For example, type 1 shop. Click OK. We can see it here. Now we can add some items to this type 1 shop. I'm going to import all the items. I only have 3 items, so it's easier to notice how it works. I can assign the minimum stock right now. We can move using the arrow keys. Okay, save. I'm going to assign a new type of shop, type 2 shop. Click OK. Select it. Add some items. You can manually add items from a list, or I'm going to import all the items as well and assign a minimum stock, let's say 5. Now click save. Now we can go to configurations, general configurations. So we are in configurations, click on general configurations, click on locations, and we choose the shop type for each location that we want to assign the minimum stock. For example, let's say at HQ we're gonna put type 1 shop, and at shop 1 type 2 shop. Save. Now we can do some transfer orders and purchase orders. They are done at store level. Let's go at inventory, shop reorder. We choose a location, for example shop 1, and check the filters and click load list. The order suggestion is generated based on the selected criteria. Then we can change the quantity. I'll say 0 and just 2 articles, and we can click on transfer order. Select the source location, for example HQ. OK. And the transfer order has been generated. If we choose a specific supplier, the purchase order button appears, and you can make an order directly to that supplier. And if you don't choose that specific supplier, you can only make a transfer order from another location. Okay, now I'm going to show you the transfer between shops option. We go to new data entries, operations, new data entries. We choose secure transfer DO. Click new document. This is where the reception is operated. We can do it manually, or we can click on the order button, click load list. We can see the order, select it, and click finish. The transfer delivery order has been generated. You can save it, print it, or send it on email. From this moment, the items from this delivery order are removed from the stock and will appear in the stock list in the transfer column. So we go to inventory, stock list, We load the list, and in the transfer column we can see the articles. The next step is receiving this secure transfer delivery order. We do this by clicking on Operations, New Data Entries. We click on Secure Transfer GRN Confirmation. Click New Document. This is where the reception is operated based on that delivery order. Click Load List. We can see the delivery. If we click on it, we can see the details down here below. If the received quantity is different, we can change it. For example, let's say 1, and click Receive Delivery. Now the transfer GRN has been generated. We can see the missing items and the item that has been delivered. Now that we have a missing item, we go to Inventory, Missing in Transit. You can see it here. And we can see all the items that have differences at Secure Transfer GRN Confirmation. I'm loading all the list. And here it is. Sent quantity and missing quantity. For each column, the user who made the deal, we can see the user who made the deal, type of transport, driver's name, and all the necessary information. If the items are found, we click on the Item Found button. We can state the location where it was handed over and click OK. If the goods are not found, we click on Item Lost. The goods are subtracted from the stock with a consumption right of stock. Let's say document type, we choose it, consumption right of stock, some remarks, click OK. The consumption right of stock document has been generated, specifying the circumstances in which the item was lost. If the goods are not found but we want to bill it, we click on Item Found, select a location, and it will be billed there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Expert Accounts tutorial.